If the employee is treated well by the manager, he behaves in a positive. So when they ask you people for 10 marks, first you write the meaning of organization behavior, then write all the 7 points. Each person in the world is individually different. Means every person is different from other person here. Warm welcome to Thoughts on B.Ba student. The subject what we are discussing is organizational behavior. In the unit 1, the second concept what we have here, foundations of individual behavior. Previous session we have discussed about the meaning of organization behavior, and even organization behavior ways and other part whatever we have. In today's session, we are going to discuss about foundations of organizational behavior. This is the second concept what we have for the third sem B.Ba students. I am Professor Rajesh L.R. from Department of Commerce and Management from Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Foundations of organizational behavior. Here we have certain points should be noted here. The first point, they say that when individual differences will give the impact on the organization behavior, whole person, causal behavior, human dignity, organization and social systems, and mutuality of interest, need for management. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points are there. I have to write the meaning of organization behavior and then write the 7 points. Then it will be a 10 marks question. Briefly explain the foundations of organization behavior. So when they ask you people for 10 marks, first you write the meaning of organization behavior, then write all the 7 points, then try to explain each and every point with certain required information. What is individual difference? Say, as you know that when each person in the world is individually different, means every person is different from other person here. We can't say that when both the person's attitude are same or opinions are same or almost all the things are equal to other person here. Every person's concept, view, observation, understanding, communicating part, or anything it may be that one, a small difference will be there. That is why we call that one as difference, individual difference what we have. There are difference in their intelligence, the IQ of the persons, always it will be varying from one person to other person. The physique, a person may be fat, lean, or the color may be that one, the height may be that one. So here, totally a small difference over there also. Personality. Organization has thousands of individuals inside it. They're saying that when every business organization will have plenty of employees in their organization. That's why they're saying that thousands of individuals inside the organization. As a result of individual different study of their behavior inside the organization is very important. So for every business organization, it has to make a study of all the individual employees of the organization about their behavior. So based on that, converting their goal into a common goal, that's a major concept, and even how the impact is there between the team members of one person's behavior or from one department to other department. They have to verify each and every pin to pin information of the individual employee's performance should be verified and observed. Based on that, it has to make certain decisions at the required point of time. Second one, whole person. When an individual is appointed, his or skill alone is not idea. Along with his or skill, social background, likes, dislikes, pride and prejudice are also added. Hence, it becomes a very essential study of the organization behavior in which includes all the above factors. They're saying that whenever organization recruit a person, it is recruiting the full person here, where it is even hiring my likes, my dislikes, and the way how I communicate and the way how I interact, the way how I motivate, or the way I will be motivated from others' concepts. Like this, everything is taken into consideration. The organization should make a study that one at the time of appointing any person to the organization, it has to check all the points or the information related to the person whom they're employing, because what is his likes, whether this person is going to work in this organization, in this particular department for long run or not. What are the dislikes? Are they like, for example, whether he is ready to accept all the things easily, whether he is going to consider each and every point in a negative manner. So everything it has to consider, because his behavior impact will be fallen on the organization behavior, and there will be negative impact or the name to the organization. For that reason, it has to check whole person's background, the person's category, how is value is there in the market, and even whether is a perfect and the right person for the right place at the right time and the right position. They have to check that one. Caused behavior. The behavior of the employee inside the organization caused and not random. This means if the employee is treated well by the manager, he behaves in a positive. They are saying that when my superior is communicating properly and behaves properly with me, definitely my attitude and my work concept will be in a positive way. If my superior is not behaving with me properly, and if he's not cooperating, if he's not motivating, and if he's not communicating, automatically my behavior is going to change here, and the negative impact will be created in the mindset of the employee. And this impact may create issues in the organization. Either individually it may create, or even it may create in the entire department or to the entire organization, or for the internal or external part of the organization work here. For that reason, it should be in such a way that the superiors should behave properly with their subordinates. Then only the teamwork will be in a success. So then we can say that always we are one in the organization. Human dignity. It recognizes that people want to be treated with the respect and dignity. They're saying that say, the person may be superior to me, but he has to give a respect in such a way that like in certain areas. We are not saying that they have to give in a different way the respect. So please come, sir, sit down, sir, like this. I'm not asking that. The way how they communicate, the superiors, how they communicate, how they treat their subordinates, it is required. If the superior using the singular language with the subordinates, hey, come here, like if they say that that is not good. My dear, please come here. So this is the work what we have here. Or like this, like every person expectation will be different and they should know what type of respect should be given and when, how to be given to the subordinates. Because if the superiors give proper motivation to these subordinates, definitely they'll accept any type of language, or else they'll never accept even a small respect is not there in the job. Always it is going to give more impact on the growth of the organization. Fifth one we have here, organizations are social systems. Organization is made up of people who exhibit social behavior. People from different social background come to work inside the organization. As a result of this, it becomes very essential to study their behavior and alter it towards the common goal of the organization. When every person enters the organization here, his intention will be different and the background of each and every individual person will be totally different here. And the organization is going to recruit different category of the people to the work here, and all those thousands of people work as a team members in the organization, and the organization has to make such a way that it has to convert individual goal into a common goal. If individual goal is not converted into a common goal, then the organization has to face certain risk, or there may be conflict between the department members or the team members, or between the departments, or within or outside the organization, for the betterment of the organization future. For that reason, first, organization. I have to check that one, from which background they are coming and what is their requirement and how I can change their requirement into a common requirement of the organization. If they change this, all the concepts in the mindset of the employees, definitely they can reach their goal, whatever they have for providing quality services, quality products, or quality work, either inside or outside the organization, that can be achieved without any issues in the organization. The next, sixth one we have here, mutuality of interest. It implies organization need people and people also need organization. They're saying that organization require men to convert the raw material into finished goods. Men, they require organization to earn certain income there for the life, to lead the life in the society. So both are required to one another in certain requirements. If organization wants to make profit, it has to carry certain activities. For this, organization need people to work. If the organization want to earn more profit with the quality work, quality services, then it should have a quality people of workers in the organization, and it has to create some work in the organization and provide job opportunities for the needy people. That is nothing but right person for the right place at the right time, right position. Then definitely the organization can earn the income what it is expecting. Even in some cases, it may earn more than the expectations, whatever it has in their mind. Need for management. Management is pervasive. Pervasive is nothing but universal. This means wherever business activities takes place, means they are saying that wherever the business activities takes place, means it may be in this world, wherever the business activities are trading or exchanging of goods or exchange of goods or services for certain price, there we require the management concept. For it to be successful, you need proper management of activities. If you want to be success in the market, so there should be a proper management and the levels of management, and even the organizational structure should be very proper. Then only the organization requirements can be achieved easily, and even the organization be in the top level in the market, and with standing in the number one position, the organization can gain certain benefit from the society here. So in today's session, the points what we've discussed was 10 marks question for the semester examination, the foundations of organization behavior, how it has to consider, and which are the main points are there, like individual differences, whole person, and other important points we have discussed in today's session. And in the next session, we are going to discuss about individual behavior and personal factors. So individual, what do you mean by individual behavior? Under individual behavior, three points are to be considered. In the first one, we have here personal factors. We are going to discuss in the upcoming session. Thank you to all my third sem BBA students. In today's session, it was very important topic which has been discussed here and made easy to understand for the BBA students as well as for the young entrepreneurs, what they have to do and how it has to be used in the organization for the betterment of the results. So namaste to all the BBA students.